Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome to the Hamptons Quarantine video, day 1. Things are going pretty well here. We're in a huge house in the Hamptons. I'll give you a little tour tomorrow. But I decided, hey, we're here. I have nothing to do. All my gigs have been canceled. So I'm gonna focus on YouTube for a little bit. It's a little weird for me to get up in the morning and say, hey, let's film a video. I haven't done that in years. Project 365 was 9 years ago. This morning when I woke up and I'm like, all right, I gotta film a video, it kind of brought me back to when I was doing the Leclerc show, just forced to film a video every single day. So I'm gonna pass the time, I'm gonna show you guys some magic tricks, we're gonna laugh together. I got some new kicks, look at these things, huh? Look at these kicks, got some new kicks, huh? Girlfriend bought me new kicks. New workout kicks. This is a good angle. This is a good angle. Look at these calves. Huh? Look at that. Look at these calves. Look at that. Huh? Look at that. This is the type of week it's gonna be. So to start off my quarantine video, I actually went through my whole laptop, through my iPhone, every single file I had. I cleared all the files I wasn't using, and I found some doozies. And to start off today's video, here is philosophical expert Alex Boyer explaining to us what is heaviest, a pound of styrofoam or a pound of bowling balls. Have a look.
Okay. What weighs more, a pound of packing peanuts or a pound of bowling balls? What weighs more?
Bowling balls.
Why?
It's more heavy.
Yeah, but what's heaviest, a pound of this or a pound of bowling balls?
A pound of bowling balls.
Why?
I don't know. It's more. It's heavier.
Okay, so what weighs more? 2 pounds of this or 2 pounds of bowling ball?
Of bowling ball.
Why?
Because it's heavier. Because that's the lightest.
Yeah, that's the lightest.
Okay.
So, but if I have 2 pounds of this, 2 pounds worth, and I have 2 pounds worth of bowling balls, 2 pounds here, 2 pounds there, which one weighs the most?
Bowling ball.
Why?
Because it's the heaviest.
So if I have 5 pounds of these, I have 5 pounds. It weighs 5 pounds. And then I have 5 pounds of bowling balls.
Oh, okay, I get it.
I'm sorry, man. I'm so sorry, dude. I told you I'd post it, and today's the day. We're cleaning out the hard drive. Now, do you guys like these kind of like question riddles? I mean, that's an easy one. That's a basic one. If you guys did enjoy that, here's another one. I asked Franco Pascali in Las Vegas.
Ask me a question.
How long is a Chinese name?
A Chinese name?
Speak loudly.
Eric just asked me how long a Chinese name is. Now, one, mildly racist.
No, Franco, how long is a Chinese name?
No clue.
How long is a Chinese name? Trust me, go with it. How long is a Chinese name?
Chinese name, minimum, first last name. It's normally short. First last name total, 10 letters.
I'm not asking you a question.
Oh.
What did I say? Repeat what I said.
How long is a Chinese name?
Yeah, it's not a question.
Answer.
How long is a Chinese name? I'm not asking you a question, it's a statement, bro.
Oh man, I love these questions. I love these. It's not a question. It's not even a question. It was just a statement. How long is a Chinese name? So let me talk to you a little bit about where we are. We're in the Hamptons right now in this huge house. It's very, very unique decor. There's everything we need here. It's kind of like a safe house. There's plenty of food. There's a lot of movie posters. There's a theater back here. I gotta show you guys this theater. I was gonna do a tour tomorrow, but you guys have to see this right now. Check this out. You can watch all the DVDs. How to get free drinks at the bar. Are you guys staying hydrated? Are you guys staying clean? Last week we were in Vegas. If you guys haven't seen the Chris Ramsay prank, I highly recommend you guys go see it. We had the best week. He still won't share the video though. He still will not share the video. I said, Chris, give me a little shout out. Give me a little some. Ignore. You want to see? Where's my phone? Where's my phone? I don't have my phone. Oh, I'm filming with. I have no clue what these Hampton quarantine videos are going to be like, as you can see, as you're able to tell by this guy. Basically, I want you guys to tell me what you want to see. What do you want to see? You want me to learn a new skill? I can do some tutorials. I can do some magic, some strip shows. We can talk about hand sanitizer. We're all going to be just fine. Who's have trouble? Is it quarantine or quarantine?
Elevators?
Yes?
Yeah. Elevators?
English lessons.
Okay.
Quarantining. We're quarantining. We're going on quarantine. Quarantine. It's the French. It's the French in me. So I did find a couple more clips on my iPhone. Oh. Hi. No idea who that was. Guys, there's a horse outside. Look at this. There's a horse. Look. What else can I do? There's a gym. I don't want to show you too much of this place because tomorrow is going to be the house tour. If they let me, I don't know. This is a Pilates instrument bed of some sort. Now that needs some disinfecting. Look at this family they have here judging you when you're working out. Actually, you know what? Every single picture in this room is from people who could use a workout. Right? Makes sense. It does make sense. Oh, tomorrow we're gonna do a workout video. Yeah. Also, there's very fancy cars here. I'm gonna ask Rick if he's gonna give us a tour tomorrow or the day after. It's a pretty big flex, Rick. I mean, only. So don't forget to comment what you guys want to see me do in this crazy house quarantined in the Hamptons. I hope you guys enjoyed day 1 of the Hamptons Quarantine video. This is Eric Leclerc reminding you, stay safe out there, people. Oh, can't be too safe.
Black radio.